RSLog's projects page is a centralized hub that makes accessing and managing your geotechnical projects quicker and easier. From initiating new projects with detail inputs to the precise selection of coordinate reference systems, the page facilitates every step of project management and has an intuitive interface that improves your experience. The Projects page provides access to all your RSLog projects in different tabs. The current list shows the ongoing projects or those that you open more often. To create a new project, click the New button from the top toolbar. This will open a new page where you can enter general project information. Select the client from the list, or move to the bottom of the list and select Other to add a new client. The items in this list come from your contacts list, which can be accessed from the Account menu on the left navigation panel. In RSLog, the Coordinates Reference System is selected at the project level. Select Geographic if you have the latitude and longitude of the borehole location. Use the Local system only if you must. Some RSLog features, such as Cross-Section Designer and Maps, are unavailable for the local coordinate system. Select the Projected Coordinate System if you have easting and northing coordinates that are not measured in UTM. Projected coordinate systems are specified by either the EPSG code or, in the case of a state plane coordinate system, with a FIPS code. Search for the code and click on an item to view details. To confirm that the selected code is correct, you can enter the easting and northing of one of your boreholes and click Test to verify its location on the map. To confirm, click Save. Select UTM if your coordinates are provided in the UTM coordinate system. In this case, you need to specify the UTM zone that your project is located in. If no coordinates are available for your boreholes, we still recommend that you select Geographic System and manually locate each borehole on the map when you enter borehole data. The location of the project is specified using the Site Location input field. To locate the project on the map, click the Map button and place the project on the map. On this page, you can also draw a polygon or polyline to represent the extent of the project on the map. This will be shown in relevant reports. Alternatively, if you have the exact location of the project, enter the coordinates. QR web link is an optional input data that can be placed on your borehole logs or other reports. This is typically a web address that redirects viewers to your company website or where a technical report, additional photos, etc. is found. The Additional Settings tab provides access to additional input data for your project. Use extra tags if you'd like to expand the input data for a project. For example, if you want to enter the contract number as input data for each project, go to the Settings page, under Data Entry, click the Extra Tag tab and enter the contract number as an extra tag for all your RSLog projects. This will show the contract number on this page for all your projects so you can enter its value. Click Save to finish creating your project. Hovering on each project displays action buttons that allow you to preview, edit, delete, or open a project. By opening a project, you'll be redirected to the list of test holes. Please note when a project is opened, it will be displayed as the active project at the top of all pages. The More Options button provides access to additional actions. Use View Location to see the project location on the map. Duplicate creates a copy of the project and all its boreholes. Use Assign Users to specify which users in your RSLog account are allowed to see this project. By default, all your users can see all projects. Select multiple projects and use the top toolbar to apply an action on those projects. Use Transfer to send a copy of selected projects to your client. For example, if you work for a Department of Transportation, at the end of the project, you can digitally transfer the entire project data to them by using this feature. Please refer to the documentation for more details. Archiving a project changes the status of the project to archived and moves a project to the Archive tab. This helps keep the current list short. Transfer tab shows the list of all incoming and outgoing transfers. This is where you can cancel an outgoing transfer as well as accept or decline an incoming transfer. The Export button allows you to export the list of projects to different formats. Searching for a specific project is as easy as typing a part of its title, number, or client name. If you can't find a project in the current list, please try searching in the archive list as well. To open documentation for this page, click the Help button at the top right of the page. Overall, RSLog's Projects page makes project creation and coordinate system selection easy. And with our functionalities like project transfer, user assignments, and data archiving, RSLog gives users the precision and flexibility they need to be efficient while managing projects. Visit rockscience.com and start your free trial of RSLog today.